Hey everyone, welcome to Bloom. Thinking of paying yourself from your corporation? Let's talk dividends. What are they? How do they work? And how to actually issue them in Canada. Whether you're a small business owner or just starting out, this is important info you'll want to know. So what exactly is a dividend? A dividend is a payment your corporation makes to you as a shareholder. Basically, a way to pay out profits to the owners. Unlike a salary, dividends aren't considered an expense. They come out of after-tax profits, so they're taxed differently when you receive them personally, usually at a lower tax rate depending on your other income. In Canada, there are three main types of dividends. Eligible dividends, usually paid out of profits taxed at the general corporate rate, so a little bit higher rate. Non-eligible dividends, paid out from income tax at the small business rate. And finally, capital dividend, a tax-free dividend paid to shareholders from the capital dividend account, often arising from tax-free amounts like insurance proceeds or the non-taxable portion of capital gains. How do you actually issue dividends? Let's break it down. First, check your corporation's retained earnings. You can only pay dividends if your corporation has after-tax profits to pay from. Now decide the dividend amount. Talk to your accountant to decide how much and what type of dividends. Hold a director's meeting. Even if you're the only director, it's required to record a resolution approving the dividend. Now, prepare the dividend declaration, and this should include your shareholder's name, the date, type of dividend, the amount, and finally, issue the T5 slip by February 28th. Now, dividends can be a great tax tool, but they're not always the best option, especially if you need RSP room or other personal benefits. It's always a good idea to check in with your accountant before issuing dividends. They can help you figure out what makes the most sense for your situation. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tax tips and updates. Thanks for watching.